vvti event at Off-Grid Motorsports Park here in South Carolina. We're going to be doing some testing here with Joe Love, see how things go before the next event up in Atlanta. So stay tuned for this little short clip. Fuck, it's locked. Got this, guys. Is Adam not here? Oh, I thought he was all the way. That might be like bounce. See how it bounces a lot in the back? It throws me off, like off completely. Motherfucker's short as fuck. Let's run tandem. He's gonna break my shit. popping. Jay-Z. What's up, guys? I had a little fun yesterday, and now it's kind of like, all right, now that it's actually been cooled down, the IS300 here, it had a top end noise yesterday, but it went away. I started up this morning, and right now it's only a bottom end noise, and it's starting to shut off on its own. Well, we were actually out on the track pushing this thing, first gear, limiter, the whole fucking time, for about 10 minutes straight. Now we're gonna have to put an engine in this and probably get this one out of the way and actually inspect the engine itself. I might grab an engine from my property tomorrow, pick it up, take it to work, tear it down, do some GT internals, bearings in it, reseal the whole thing, check all the clearances, do everything I need to do with the engine to make sure it's 100%, and hopefully things go well. But we will see what happens here this week. I'm gonna try to get this engine done within a week or two, possibly, depending, because I have another engine I have to do for my truck. You haven't seen that yet, but you will see it in the future. So this kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I said I didn't care if it blows up or not, and we clearly messed it up. So it's still sort of drivable. It's sort of drivable, but I'm not going to risk it. I don't want to mess up anything else for the rods, bearings, and all that stuff. And same with the crank. I don't want to, mess it up where it gets to the point where it can't get rebuilt. So. All right, guys, so we're here at the shop. I'm going to be draining the oil on the IS300. As you can tell, it does have a knock in it. And I'm going to be seeing what comes out of it and see how bad it is. Because I think I should be able to save this engine. But either way, I'm gonna have a spare one that's gonna be built slightly, nothing crazy, but it'll be enough for me to beat up on it and not worry about anything messing up as much. We'll see how that goes. It's been a good bit since I've had my last engine rebuild. Well, it's been a few months, but either way, let's go ahead and drain that oil straight into the clean bucket. You ready? Alright, guys, I'm not sure if you can tell, there is shavings in this oil. I can tell with my eye, the camera's not really picking it up as much, but other than that, guys, this sucks, but it is what it is. I had fun. It lasted me a good fucking 2.5 years of beating it up, so I really can't complain. Guys, so as you can tell, I'm picking up an engine here that I have laying around for the IS300. So I recently blew it up here on the track where it has a rod knock, a slight one, but I'm going to be able to save that engine itself. So we're pulling one right now. I'll see you back at the shop, and we're going to start tearing this thing down. You're not going to see the whole process, but you're going to see this whole thing getting built completely. And I'm going to try to push for 600 horsepower on this car. So we'll see what happens. So this engine right here is going to be torn out completely. I'm going to be getting rid of these intake manifold, fuel rail here, compressor here, all these parts that I don't need no more, because these parts old and just kind of dirty. And I'm just going to be swapping everything from my other engine to this engine itself. So I'm probably still going to clean these up regardless. Before I put them away. Let's go ahead and tear this down. You probably won't see the whole build for this engine. You'll see a few little things here and there just because time-wise, and I'm trying to get this done because I have other stuff I want to finish up as well. But enjoy, guys. I do have everything apart from here. AC compressor, intake manifold, the front accessories, everything from there. Same with the motor mounts. Right now, I don't have my triple squares to remove the head bolts, so I'm gonna have to go get that tonight, right after I get out of here. And then I'm actually gonna be pulling all the shims out. I'm not gonna be using these shim buckets. I'm gonna go shimless bucket conversion. And I'm gonna try to get this head done, sent out, get it refreshened up, and do a valve job on it as well with new seals, everything of that sort. So I'll probably be doing that all myself besides the resurfacing. All right, guys, so I have this engine torn apart completely now. You can see in the video that it had a little bit of water. So that was because one of the plugs in the head was actually out of the way and water was going into that and draining into the block itself. We're gonna be able to take care of that because this thing's going out to the machine shop, getting machine work done, so no big deal. It's not horrible at all inside the block itself. Not that much rust, just a little bit of surface rust, which I'm gonna be getting this whole process done where they put this in the oven, heat it up really good, and spray this down completely with some kind of sandblaster machine. I forget the exact name from it, but it's gonna make this look like a brand new block, like factory. So that's gonna get done, and other than that, I'll keep you updated with this build. But I think that should be it for this video, so I'll see you soon. Peace.